What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna start this one off with a little cold start. And when I say cold start, I mean a freaking cold start, guys, because we're in Texas, man, and this necessarily isn't warm. So you guys think I'm joking? You can see what that says right there. I'm gonna focus it anymore. 36 degrees, man. 36 degrees. That's freaking cold here. So, and then I'm gonna get a lot of comments. Man, that's not even cold. I'm over here and whatever. Dude, in Texas, it's fucking cold. Okay, so enjoy this video. Enjoy this cold start. I'll be right back to you guys in a little bit. Whew, God damn, it sure is cold out here. The last time I came out here, there was ice stuck to my damn windows. When I opened the door, broke the ice. So let's get it. What the fuck? Alright, you guys, so that didn't go as planned, so we're gonna take the diesel out. I guess the battery's just going bad from it being cold or whatnot, but like I said in the other video, man, I need a new battery already, man, so yeah. Ain't that some shit? Sally, you let me down, girl. You let me down. And that's because I didn't leave lights on or anything, man, so I guess that battery's just really on its last leg. Oh man, it's cold out here, man. I'm wearing shorts, look at me. I'm wearing shorts. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna take the old diesel and we're gonna charge up the battery on the Mustang, man. So sorry if this is shitty lighting, but I don't got really much to work with right now. So if you guys don't know, diesel's got 2 batteries. So we can use whatever battery we want on this thing, you know what I'm saying? There we go. I'm actually gonna put the camera down real quick. Alright, so we got the cables on there, all the way down, over here, charging it up, and Sally will breathe in a little bit, guys, promise you. This is the first time she's let me down. She's not starting today, I'm telling you. Take 2. She would start, bro. I told y'all. She just need a little help, man. It's too cold out here for her. She's a Texas girl, just like the rest of us. I mean, I ain't no girl, but she's a Texas gal. Woo! The beast lives. guys, so we're back. I'm gonna be talking a little loud because I'm not sure how loud the air is blowing right now, but as we're sitting here, man, I'm trying to warm up inside this car. That was an unusual take for the beginning of the video. I didn't know I was gonna do that. Alright, yeah guys, anyways, welcome to the channel. This is gonna be kind of, it's not really an informative video, but it kinda is. But it's more entertaining, guys, so I'm not going to name this a how-to. I'm just installing these speakers on my car. I hope you guys like it. And drop a big like, because I know you guys will like this one if you guys like the other videos. And I hope you guys like what you see. Alright, we'll see you in a little bit.
Weird how they have these little fucking. Ouch. See how this is hooked up to the mod by itself. All by itself. It's got no speaker.
Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna need a new fucking shifter here soon. Yeah.
Just remembering the old school, the square bodies. The old fucking the ugly motherfuckers. I don't like those. And wire I left and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? Kind of sucks. Alright, lucky.
Where's that other motherfucker? Spaghetti factory. You got that old fucking that old junk speaker?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, at least one or two over here. Something like that. But no, I have.
This old one right here. Yeah. Basically, that's what I was hearing, but super loud. Yeah. Alright, so basically it's all put back together. Focal 5x7s and tweeters are put in. He left this off because we're gonna put some custom focal things in there, but yeah, man, it sounds freaking sweet, way better than before. So, and I also changed these out because they were green before, but now they're blue color. So, yeah.
Once you plug, shut the door and all that shit, that's as simple as that. See, you don't sound like you didn't think it had high singing, you know?
Yeah.
Now your door rattles. Door pound. You might have a lot of bass.
Hell yeah. That's only one side too. This one's not even connected.
I'm dropping drive a Mercedes. My windows not tinted, they look at me crazy. I ride through my city. I talk to that bitch like, look what you made me. We came from the basement. Now look at our state.
Alright guys, these speakers sound absolutely awesome. I'm super stoked to have them installed, man. And you guys follow me on Instagram, y'all know that I've been considering selling this car. That's the thing for another video. But as of now, guys, I don't really know if it's gonna sell or not. But yeah, guys. As always, if you guys like this video, please drop a big thumbs up. It means so much to me, guys. It helps me out so much. And as always, guys, if this is y'all's first time viewing this video, please consider subscribing. We have more awesome things on the way. I know I just mentioned that I might be selling my car, but that doesn't mean the videos are going away, guys. The videos are only going to get more better and more awesome. So for sure, stay tuned. And if you guys like what y'all see, please browse the channel. If you guys like those videos, consider subscribing. Like I said, the videos are going to be awesome, guys. So as always, thank you guys for stopping in today and viewing. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, week, night, whatever it is. And we'll see you next time, guys. Appreciate it. See ya.
We get high, high, crazy blue, like St. Elmo's fire, love so sharp and flat that it's hard to know just where you're at. We get high.
From the back to the front door, dealers on the south side selling on their front door. Little bit of weed, little bit of crack, whatever you need while I'm selling out shows in the ice cold. Shout out to the homies in the